Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you are my return subscriber, thank you for all watching my videos. Today I'm making the best green smoothie for weight loss using spinach, mango and soaked chia seeds. Soaking your chia seeds is very beneficial because it can absorb so much water, so you don't have to add so much water into your blender. Okay guys, I'm going to put all my ingredients into my speed blender. First goes in my spinach. After that, my soaked chia seeds. And finally, my mango. I'm going to add a little bit of water. And now I will cover them for 30 to 40 seconds. Okay guys, this is my freshly blended up smoothie. And I'll show you guys how it looks. Lovely green colour. It's now time to serve it. This smoothie is very beneficial for weight loss. So guys, I'm going to be garnishing with some mango chunks. Let me know in the comment section below which country you're watching me from. As we are now coming to the end of the video, kindly like, share, comment and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, bye guys.